Hey guys, in this video I'm using a new microphone, so be sure to tell me what you think, if it's too loud or too quiet or anything like that, because I can always try and get a different one. I'm just borrowing this for a couple months. And I'll be showing you how to install XAMPP to use my phpMyAdmin. So this is a good time to advertise my YouTube channel. Ooh, that's a good channel. Ooh, look at that picture. Awkward. I'm just kidding. So just search XAMPP, and it's apacheFriends.org/en/XAMPP.html. Here's the URL. Now from here, you want to pick your operating system. I'm running Windows. If you have like an Apple computer, you'll use this. Linux, and yeah, you get the point. So I'll click Windows. And then what I want to do is under download, click XAMPP, and then I'll click the installer. Not the zip or the 7-zip, but the installer. This should bring this page up, and wait a couple seconds. Right here. And now it should start downloading. It may pop up and ask you if you want to download it, or open it, or save it, or anything like that. I just save it. Right now you just wait for this, and I'll be back in a second. Once that is done downloading, it'll appear in your downloads folder. So to get to that, you can just click your computer name right here, Caleb, and then downloads, and it should be right there. Double click that, and a pop-up may ask you if you're sure, and just click yes. And then you want to select your language. I'm English, so yes, I'll click that, and just ignore that, click OK. Next, this is pretty simple. Now here's where you want to choose where you want to install it, and I'm actually not going to install it in the default, but if you don't really know what you're doing or anything, just install it there. Here's my active partition of my hard drive, so that's where I will install it. So yours may be C:XAMPP or XAMPP, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't really matter. And I'll select install of these, and then I'll install it. And you just wait for this. Alright, it's done installing, and at some point in the installation, a black box may come up saying some stuff, and just let it do its thing. You want to click finish, yeah, like this, and just wait for it, there we go. Great, now click OK, and yes, this will open the control panel. X out of all this crap. Alright, now here you want to have these three running. Well, you don't need this one running, but you want to have these running. And then from a web browser, let me bring this over here, you will want to travel to, at the top, type in localhost. That's just localhost. It'll bring you up to this page. Now this is where you want to be, and you'll select your language. I speak English. And you'll come to this page. This is basically the home page where everything is located, and on the side you'll want to click, where is it at, phpMyAdmin under tools. It'll bring you to this page, and holy crap, it's in German. What are we going to do? Well, under this, I don't know how to pronounce that, you want to select the language and click English if you speak English. I'm guessing you do because you're listening to me and I speak English. But, right, so then from here, you have installed everything you need to do. And then what you'll do from here is you can use SQL commands from this box right here. You can view your databases. These are the ones, default databases, and a bunch of other cool stuff. You may want to look down at here at this information. Here's your phpMyAdmin version, and a bunch of other cool information. You can export your databases from this page, and you can import databases from this page. Here's some character sets if you need to look at those, which we haven't really talked about those yet, but we will. And here are the available engines, which we haven't talked about those either. Here's just a bunch of stuff. You don't really need to worry about all this. Here's how to get to the home page, which will bring you back to the main page we started from. and under settings you can change a lot of the extra information. That's all I'm going to be talking about in this series, and in this video, and the next one's going to be sweet, so catch you there.